Look at that.
Get a good picture? Are you taking a video?
This is on video.
No way.
Oh, catastrophic explosion of the expansion tank.
Awesome. Oh man.
See, he probably popped the hood open.
Oh,
Oh.
poor Jay.
Damn you, Miles, in your fucking house.
Oh! Now me and the mad scientist got to go in and replace the piston rings you fried.
Hey, now you steam cleaned your intake. Oh.
Nice. That wasn't a very old expansion tank either.
No, it wasn't.
Maybe you should go ahead and buy one of those fans.
Probably. I was gonna buy it on the first.
Oh. Hey. I have AAA if you need it.
Aw.
Is the expansion tank on?
That's right there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right there.
Well, I saw it was blue, so that means you're using OEM
Yeah.
coolant.
What are you doing?
I know, what are you doing?
You're gonna scrape really bad.
I hope your tank blows too. She didn't screw.
Oh, she didn't. Kyle got stuck there with his Miata. His wheel went to that little ditch right there. His suspension's so stiff it couldn't drop down.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I don't want to go in that thing.
Why? It's fine. Careful, careful. That might. Why? I guess
No.
there's no pressure in it. There's no pressure in it.